بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Math grade 7. We have today extra practice about the equations. Who can read exercise number 11, please?
Can I read it?
Okay, start, please.
The Miller family is taking a road trip to visit some relatives. With a full gas tank, the car has a range of 456 miles. Mr. Miller wants to stop to fill up when the range reaches 57 miles remaining. If the car averages 28.5 miles per gallon, then the equation for 156 to 280.5 grams equal 57 represents how many gallons of gas they will use before they need to fill up. How many gallons of gas will they use before they need to fill up?
Great, thank you. So we have this equation. I want from all to solve this equation and find the value of G. Start, please. Write in your notebook, in your paper, and solve the value of G and tell me what is the right solution, A or B or C or D. Start, please.
It will be 14 gallons.
Let's start 14 gallons.
طيب لمار set 14, فاطمة set 15.
No, sir, I said 14.
Fatima and Lamar 14, sorry. Okay, who has different answer? Ayan said 14, thank you. Who has different answer?
Mr. Also me 14.
Right, said 14, thank you. Who has different answer? Okay, check with me, please. The first step, we want to remove 456 to keep the variable alone. So we can subtract. (456) minus 456 will be 0, remains here minus 28.5 G. G means gallon. Equal, now we have here 456 minus 57. Borrow 1 from here, here will be 4 and here will be 16. 16 minus 7 will be 9. Now 4 minus 5, we cannot do this operation. Borrow 1 from here, here will be 3 and here will be 14. 14 minus 5, 9, then drop 3. So equal 399 minus, because here we have minus. Then remove the coefficient, divide the two sides by minus 28.5 minus 28.5 divided by minus 28.5 will be 1 G means G equal negative divided by negative means we have positive. Then we want to do divide between 399 divided by 28.5 The answer will be 14. The answer will be 14. So this is the right answer. Okay, thank you for all. Who has any question here?
No question.
طيب, who can read exercise number 12, please? Fatima, can you read it, please?
The graph shows the cost of hiring a professional photographer for an event within the photographer specified area based on how long the event lasts.
Continue part A.
If the event is out Mister, you can hear me?
No, repeat please part A.
If the event is outside the photographer's local area, the photographer charges an additional travel fee of $50. Suppose Kendra hired the photographer for an event outside the specified local area, which equation could be used to find the total cost Y for any number of hours X.
Thank you, Fatima. As you see in this photography, here we have the time H, and here we have the cost. Here we have the cost Y. Now I want to, from all, to try to write the equation here. Is it A or B or C or D? Start, please.
Mister, when you're gonna solve this, can you like explain how to make the equation?
Yani tell me which A or B or C or D is the right equation and how to find this equation.
Mister, I didn't understand the question to answer. Like they tell us like $50.
أعطاني نص وأعطاني الجراف. فأنت بإمكانك من خلال النص تستنتج الإكويجن، بإمكانك من خلال الجراف تستنتج الإكويجن. تمام؟ فأنت ارجعي اقري البارت أي مرة ثانية، استوعبي النص هيك تماما، شوفي شو بده، بعدين شوفي بإمكانك تطلعي من خلال النص، بإمكانك تطلعي منين؟ من الرسم. نحسن نكتب الإكويجن من الرسم. فكروا، أنا هلا بشرح كيف، بس بدي إياكم أنا تفكروا.
Mister, I don't really have like an answer, but like I think the most like almost answer is A.
Why A?
I think it's C. No, not C. B.
B. Why? So Lamar said A and Leon said B. Who has different answer?
Mr. It's B.
Mister, I think it's A.
طيب listen to me. هذا I use the table, make table here, then put here x and put here y, and how many points here we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have 8 rows here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, go to the first point. 1 in x, 1 in x, 25 in y. The second point, 2 in x, 50 in y. The third point, 3 in x, 75 in y. Then we have 4 in x, we have 100. Then 5 in x, 125. Then 6 in x, 150. Then 7 in x, 175. Then 8, 200. I want from all to try to find the relationship between x and y. What is the relationship?
5
Repeat it, please.
times 25.
This was 5.
Multiply by 25. Multiply by 25. So we find y when you multiply the x by 25. We find the value of y when we multiply the value of x by 25. Listen, suppose the x1, 1 times 25, 25. Suppose the x2, 2 times 25, 50. Suppose x3, 3 times 25 will be 75. Suppose x4, 4 times 25 will be 100, etc. So which one the true solution here?
25, like B.
Which equation the right equation? A or B or C or D?
C.
C. So this is the right equation. Okay. Right. Part B, if Kendra's event will last 3 hours, what is the total cost of earning the photograph? طيب بآخر 3 ساعات قديش كانت التكلفة؟ آخر 3 ساعات يعني شو؟ 6 7 و 8. كانت الكوست بال 6 كانت 150 وهون 170 و 200. كيف بدي أعرف التوتال؟ مين بيقول لي كيف بدي أعرف التوتال؟ شو بنعمل؟
10 by 25.
Repeat it, please.
10 by 25.
No.
6 and 25.
If the cost here 150 and the cost here 170 and the cost here 200, what is the total cost? How to know? Can find the
Mister,
sum.
is the total cost.
We can find the sum. 150 plus 170 plus 200. Right. Find the answer and tell me, please, what is the answer?
Mister, it's 520, not 120.
500. Great. And what is the unit?
Mister, what did you say?
The cost in dollar. So unit $520. Okay. Right. Exercise number 13, the solution of the equation 6 times between parentheses m plus 1 equal 30 is n equal, find the value of m. Start please.
Mister, the answer is 4.
The answer 4, okay. Lamar said 4.
I also said 4.
Repeat, Layan.
4.
Okay, Layan and Lamar said 4.
Me too, Mr. 4.
5 said 4. Who has different answer?
It's 4.
Right. Check with me, please. We can use distributive property here. 6 times n, 6n plus 6 times 1, 6 equal 30. Then remove 6 from the two sides. 6 and minus 6, 0 remains here. 6n equal 30 minus 6 will be 24. Then divide here by 6, divide here by 6. 6n divided by 6 will be 1n, means n equal 24 divided by 6 will be 4. So the right answer, number A. Who has any question here?
No questions.
Right. Exercise number 14, solve 0.5 multiply between parentheses q minus 4 equal 3.5. Start please and tell me what is your answer.
Mister, I'm not sure, but maybe the value of Q equals 66.
Q equals 66, maybe. Thank you, Lamar. Who has different answer?
Mr. Q equals 11.
Maybe Q equal 11. طيب said 11 and Lamar said 66. Who has different?
Mr. Q equal 11.
And Rayan said 11. Thank you, Rayan. Who has different answer?
Mister, sorry, I forgot to change the sign, so it's 11 too.
So, Taif and Layan and Lamar said the Q equal 11. Who has different answer? Yazia not here? طيب Beka, Fatima, Selma, Sarah, what is your answer?
Q equal 11.
طيب check with me please. Use
Mister,
distributed.
I'm going to
Okay, thank you. Take 0.5 times Q will be 0.5 Q, then 0.5 times minus 4 will be minus 2 equal 3.5. Then remove 2 from the two sides, so you can add 2 here and add 2 here. Plus 2 and minus 2 will be 0, remains in this side 0.5 Q equal 3.5 plus 2 will be 5.5. Then divide the two sides by 0.5. So Q equal 11. Who has any question here?
No questions.
Great. Right. Number 15, solve 3 over 4 times between parentheses p minus 2 equal 4 and 1 over 8. Express your answer as a fraction or mixed number in simplest form. Start, please.
Mister, it will be 7 1 over 2.
Repeat please.
7 1 over 2.
7 and 1 over 2. Okay, thank you, Fatima. Who has different answer?
Mr. P equal 7 1 out of 2.
Five said the same answer. Who has different answer?
Mister, I got the answer, but it's decimal.
Okay, no problem. Tell me.
It's 7.5.
Means 7 and 1 over 2. Yes, the same answer.
Yes.
Okay. Who has different answer? So Lamar and Fatima and Taif said 7 and 1 over 2.
Mr. The answer will be 7.5, so 7.5.
Okay. Right. Check with me, please. The first step, use distributive property here. 3 over 4 times b will be 3 over 4b minus 3 over 4 times 2. 3 over 4 times 2. 2 times 3 will be 6 over 4. The next side here, we have mixed number. Change it to the fraction. 4 times 8, 32. Plus 1, 33. Over 8. Try to remove minus 6 over 4. So you can add 6 over 4 to the two sides. Minus 6 over 4 and plus 6 over 4 will be 0. Remains here 3 over 4b equal 33 over 8 plus 6 over 4. Try to make it common denominator. So multiply the 4 by 2 to get 8. Multiply up and down by 2. So we can write here 3 over 4 p equal 33 over 8 plus multiply here by 2. 6 times 2 will be 12 and 4 times 2 will be 8. So we have 3 over 4b equal 12 plus 33 will be 45 over 8. Now try to remove 3 over 4, so divide by 3 over 4 and divide here by 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 divided by 3 over 4 remains here b equal, and here you can use the rule fraction divided by fraction, keep the same numerator. We have 45 over 8 times, flip the denominator, 3 over 4 will be 4 over 3. We can do simplest form here before the answer. 45 divided by 3 will be 15, here. And here 4 divided by 4 will be 1, 8 divided by 4 will be 2. So the answer will be 15 over 2. 15 over 2 means 7 and 1 over 2. So 15 over 2 will be 7 and 1 over 2. Who has any question here? Is it clear for all?
Yes, Mister.
Yes.
Great. طيب, who can read exercise number 16, please?
Read.
Okay.
The table shows the ages of the Williamson siblings. Mr. Williams says that if you double Kristen's age, the result is 30. What are the age of Williamson's siblings? Explain how you found your answer.
طيب, هلا هي النص أمامكم وهي الجدول. تمام؟ فكروا، حاولوا تكتبوا لي الحل أو تعطوني الحل. نحن المطلوب منا what are the ages of the Williamson siblings. طبعا هو عنده أليكس وعنده كارسون وعنده بريتني. هذا الايج له n، هذا الايج له n بلس 4، هذا الايج له n بلس 2، n ماينس 2. كيف بدي اساوي ايكويجن وحلها وطالع الاعمار اللي هون لهذول الاولاد؟
السؤال هسه الإجابة راح تكون مكتوبة 2n plus 4 equals 30.
2n
plus 4 equals 30.
plus 4 equals 30 maybe.
يعني
Yes, Mr. Ahmed Layan.
The same answer, the same equation.
Yes, Mr. Because we're gonna like multiply by 2, so we're gonna multiply n by 2, and then plus 4 equals 30.
Okay. Who has the same answer and who has the different answer?
So, Mr. The Williams sibling will be 13 years. So n equals 13.
n equal 13. Okay. So Leon said n equal 13. طيب. Listen to me, please. Williamson says that if you, listen here, if you double Carson age, the result is 30. What's the meaning of the double? 2 times. 2 times. What is the Carson age? Go to the table. Carson age will be n plus 4. n plus 4. So the result means equal 30. So this is the equation. Now solve this equation. Use distributive property here. 2 times n will be 2n. Then 2 times 4 will be 8 equal 30. Remove 8 from the two sides. So minus 8 here and minus 8 here. Remains here 22. And here we have 2n. Then divide here by 2. Divide here by 2. Remains here n equal 22 over 2 will be 11. This is the value of n, not the age. This is the value of the n. How to find the ages? So go back to the table. So Alex's age will be 11. Right. Carson will be 11 plus 4 will be 15. Brittany will be 11 minus 2 will be 9. So the ages we have 9 and 11 and 15. طيب, how to check if my work true or not? Who can tell me?
For Carson, you will put n plus 4 equals 15, and then like you make minus 1 here, minus 1, so n will be not 11.
Or we can use the same verses here. Double Carson age 15. Double means multiply by 2. 2 times 15. The result will be what? 30. Is it 2 times 15 equal 30? Is it 2 times 15 equal 30? Yes. 30 equal 30. So our work is true. And this is the right ages. Who has any question here?
Mr.
No.
Mr. Why you use parentheses without, why you didn't use without them? Like how you know that you should use parentheses here?
Because Carson here, age, include 2 terms. So, and we doubled. If you don't put the parentheses means 2 just for n. But we want 2 for the all age. N plus 4. So put n plus 4 between parentheses to distribute 2 for the all terms. Okay?
I didn't understand like how you can know like to put them or no.
هلا انت اذا عندك هالاكسبريشن كم حد هون عندك؟ How many terms you have here? ليان كم حد عندك هون جاوبيني؟
حد 2.
عندك 1 2 تمام. طيب اذا قلت لك اضربي لي هالمقدار هذا ب 2. اذا قلت لك اضربي لي اياه ب 2 فانت رح تضربي ال 2 وين فقط؟ في الان. فشو رح تكتبي؟ 2n بلس 4. هذا الكلام غلط، لانه انا شو قلت لك؟ اضربي لي الكلام المقدار كاملا. فمعناته شو لازم تقولي لي؟ لا لازم احطهم بين قوسين مشان ال 2 تكون شامله للكل. فلازم 2 تايمز n بلس 2 تايمز 4. اذا بنحطهم ضمن قوسين معناته انه ال 2 مضروبه فيهم كلهم. اما اذا انت قوسين معناته ال 2 مضروبه فقط وين؟ فقط في الان. فمشان هيك انا حطيتهم بتوين بارنثيسز. انت كان خطأك انه ما حطيتي لهم اقواس. تمام ليان؟ تمام. طيب صبايا، انا ارسلت واجب معكم ليوم السبت الساعه 10. حلوا لنا اياه. حلوا الواجب. نشوفكم ان شاء الله الاسبوع القادم. Thank you for your listening. Have a nice day. See you ان شاء الله next week. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.